Are you troubled by blurry stories on Instagram? Wondering why Instagram stories are blurry and how to fix them? If yes, then don't worry, as there are ways to tackle this kind of issue easily. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Check your network connection. If you see blurry images on your Instagram stories, then it might be due to your internet disruption. To get rid of this problem, you need to check your connection before uploading files on Instagram. Method 2. Send photo to a friend. Resolve your issue by sending your photos or videos to any of your friends, or you can post your photos to other social media platforms. This way, you can check if actually, the pictures are blurry. Method 3. Check camera settings. Here are the steps to follow. First, launch the camera app on your device. Tap on the settings option. Now adjust videos and image quality. Method 4. Wrong image formation. Whatever pictures you upload to Instagram stories, it has a particular image format. Wrong format can make pictures blurry. The photos and videos ratio of Instagram story is 9:16 and media files is 1080 x 1920 pixels. Method 5. Clear cache of Instagram. Here's what you need to do. First, press and hold an Instagram app and click on App Info. Next, click on Clear Data. Then, click on the Clear Cache option and finally click on OK to complete the action. Method 6. Turn on high-quality uploads. Follow the below steps. First, open your Instagram profile and choose Menu button. Click on Settings option. Then, click on Account option followed by Data Usage. Lastly, toggle on Upload at Highest Quality option. Method 7. Check for Instagram update. When you are using an outdated version of the app, it can also put you in several issues like blurry stories on Instagram. Simply open Google Play Store, find Instagram app, and then click on the Update option. Method 8. Turn off Data Saving option. Image quality also reduces when the Data Saver option is enabled, and you might face this issue. Open Instagram settings followed by Account and tap on the Data Usage option. Next, toggle off the feature. Method 9. Reinstall Instagram app. Follow the steps. Press and hold Instagram app, click on Uninstall option. Next, confirm to remove the app from your device. Now, visit Google Play Store, search Instagram app, click on the Install option. Method 10. Reset network settings. Incorrect network settings can also be the reason for blurry content. You can check and reset your network settings. Open Settings, then go to Backup and Reset option. After that, click on Reset Network Settings. Method 11. Upload a fresh photo. If your old photo's causing the error, then you can take a fresh photo with your camera and then share it on your Instagram stories. This will also fix the blurry image error. Method 12. Check Instagram server. When Instagram server gets down due to technical issues, then such kind of error occur and you cannot fix it by yourself. You can check this by visiting the Down Detector site. Method 13. Click photos using Instagram app. Instagram app has its own camera and mode function. If your image quality is not good, then you can take photos using the Instagram app. Instagram provides various modes rather than the default camera. Method 14. Contact Instagram support. When nothing works for you, then the last option is to contact your Instagram support. To contact Instagram support, open Settings, then click on Help, Report a Problem. Now click on Submit option. Method 15. Use a professional repair tool. You should go for the Android repair tool to fix blurry stories on Instagram app. This is a highly suggested program by experts as it troubleshoots all types of errors on Android devices without data loss. Step 1. Download and install Android Repair Tool. Step 2. Click Repair Now option to go ahead. Step 3. Select correct device info. Step 4. Next, download firmware package. Step 5. Begin Android repair system.